Good morning. So, it is about 7:15 and I'm going on a little wander to Big Lens. See if we can find anything. And yeah, see what we see. There's so many ducks. Right then, we've reached sort of the golf course, and it's just gonna open up now. I think I'm just gonna walk back to the woodland because, like, that's for another day to go further that way. Just start exploring, really. It's our first day here. Right, we're gonna head back now. Or we are heading back now. Very nice wander. Didn't see anything to. Well, saw a few rabbits. Just nice to be out really, rather than sat in the car. I'm very hungry. I'm very ready for breakfast, although I'm not sure how much we have for breakfast because our food order, isn't coming until like 11ish. So I might have to wait until then to have some cereal. Little waddlers. So we went that way earlier. I'm going to try going this way and see if there's a path that goes through the woods. This is what we want. There's probably one of these in the house, but I'll grab another one. There you go. As expected, a little trail path. Okay, one buzzard seen so far. I think it was a buzzard. It's quite a long way. Managed to get a few shots off, but it's about, I don't know, 200 metres away. It flew off. It's raining a little bit now, but that's all right. I think this is the River Spey. Again, I will check on the map and correct that if necessary. Just saw a pheasant and 2 herons. They were literally just like at the bottom of this bank when I turned up, so they flew off immediately. That is a buzzard, 2 herons, a ground dwelling bird, some pretty good wildlife in the space for about 10 minutes. More so than I've seen in Bath, obviously. It's pretty cool here, not gonna lie. Alright, so looking at the map, we're around where it says Moor on that Dale of Newtonmore, and we're going to take that next right and go to the station and then follow this red one back to the lock and then back home. So that man behind me, you can see the yellow popping into frame there over my shoulder. Had a little chat with him and he said I'm to go up the Glen Road, and that takes me up into a slightly more remote area. You might see golden eagles drifting over from the mountains there, which would be pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. So, golf course here, so I'll go back along there, get to the train station and back home. Off on the third walk of the day, and this time we're going to go around the other way. So I think we take a left instead of a right, and then we'll go up around the houses. No Lucy, because is she in bed?
Yeah.
I know, yeah, you can get little bakes, little bake house. Up on the moorland. It's pretty wild up here. Although I'm going to put a photo in now of what a wild landscape should look like, courtesy of Rewilding Britain, which I think is quite informative and quite interesting that lots of our wild spaces, i.e. places like this, aren't actually that wild, but still, it still looks pretty dramatic, especially on a grey cloudy day like this. It just looks better. First dead animal of the day, I think it's a hare. All this land in here is all like sort of rewilded land, that what that should look like. Much more sort of, what would you call this? Dense. It's not really dense, is it? It's like lowland, not shrubs.
It'll be a lowland.
Lowland woodland.
Well, we're in Highlands.
A highland.
It's Highland woodland. I'll check the habitat.
We'll find out. Big mushroom. Mushroom or toadstool? Toadstool. Old circle of something. So we've had some lunch and I've edited a few photos I took this morning. I'm going to have a little nap before going out again this afternoon because I'm pretty sure I've got Lucy's gold, of course, and I have also been up since 6:30, so I'm feeling a little bit tired and probably still a bit tired from yesterday. So a little nap and then we'll be ready to go for a little walk at sunset. So good luck then. See you in a little bit. And we're back outside, all refreshed from my nap, and we're just doing the walk that I did this morning on my own, down to the river, but it's all sunny now, as you can see. Yeah, make the most of this light because we don't know how much sunny weather we're going to get this week, so this is very nice indeed. Yeah, I've also got the drone with me, so I might throw that up in a second. I think those drone clips are probably going to be good. I mean, you'll have just seen them, so I think they work. The light is just about to go behind this huge cloud behind me, so I think we did that at the right time. And I haven't flown the drone in ages, so that felt really nice to get it up. And now to go and find them on the beach by the river. This is where we need to come to find squirrels, I think. Come and sit around these trees.